I'm Mike Jolley, Senior Manager, Technical Support for EP Cube at Canadian Solar. One thing you're going to want to manage on your installation is your conduit entries into your hybrid inverter. Your conduit should come down and go into your hybrid inverter in such a manner where they do not allow or introduce water intrusion. This is an interior system, so we don't have the problem here. But if you're outside, you may want to arrange your conduits in such a way so they enter from the bottom, so you don't have water chasing down your conduit and following the conduit inside the hybrid inverter. Or you may want to drill a small weep hole in the conduit body to allow any water or condensation that has accumulated to drain down and exit the conduit instead of entering the inverter. We want to keep the inside of the inverter very dry. This is a NEMA 4 X-rated inverter, and it is rated for outside. So the conduit that comes into this has the possibility to introduce water if it's not ran and prepared correctly to allow water to exit. We don't want the water to be forced into the inverter.